Hello and welcome to our new episode. As we took before, we took the reading for Unit 1 and the present simple tense and the present continuous tense. Today we are going to study our Unit 2, the water cycle. As we usually do, we will explain some new vocabulary before we start. Number one, warm at a fairly high temperature, not cold or hot. Number two, water vapor. What does it mean? It means water in the form of a gas resulting from heating water. When we heating water, it produce water vapor. Wispy, consisting of a small thin piece, not thick. Flu, move all the time. Cool, fairly cold but not too cold or warm. Evaporation, meaning the process where a liquid becomes a gas or a vapor. Condense, change into a liquid. As you can note, evaporates isn't equal with condense. Droplet, a small drop of a liquid. Cycle, noun, a number of related events that happen in the same order. Heat, to become or to make something warm or hot. Liquid, a type of matter that isn't solid or gas and which flows and has no fixed shape, like water. Float, to stay at the top of liquid or be held up in air without sinking that go down. Okay. Steam, the hot gas that's produced when water boils. Peak, the pointed top of mountain, like this one. This is called a peak. Now listen.
Unit 2, page 16. The water cycle. Step 1. The sun heats up the water in rivers, lakes, and the sea.
Follow on your book, please.
Step 2. When the water gets warm enough, it becomes water vapor. This is called evaporation. Step 3. The water vapor is very light and it rises into the sky. Step 4. When it is high in the sky, the water vapor meets cooler air. Step 5. As the water vapor cools, it condenses. It turns back into droplets of liquid which form clouds. Step 6. The wind moves the clouds, so some of them float above the land. Step 7. When the droplets join together, they get big and heavy. Step 8. They fall from the clouds as rain. Step 9. The rain falls into rivers and lakes and flows back to the sea. Step 10. While the water flows back to the sea, more clouds are forming in the sky.
Look at the next
Water
page.
vapor forms different types of clouds. These clouds look like cotton wool. They are flat at the bottom. They usually mean that the weather will be fine. These clouds are very tall. The top of this type of cloud spreads out. These are storm clouds. These clouds are very wispy and form high up in the sky. They usually mean that the weather will be fine. These clouds are flat and grey all over. They are very low in the sky and usually mean that it will rain. A photographer was taking a picture of these storm clouds when lightning struck the tree.
Let's have some exercise. Choose the correct answer from between the brackets, worksheet page 15. Number 1. Everest is one of the most difficult space to climb. Stations, steam, peaks. Peaks. Good job. Number 2. Mom was angry yesterday when she saw some little space of paint on the kitchen floor. It will be droplets. Number 3. He is fond of insects. He studies the life space of a butterfly. The life cycle. Number 4. A lot of trees were broken down during the last storm. Number 5. Space was flashing continuously all night yesterday. It was lightning. Number 6. When water gets warm, it evaporates. Number 7. When the droplets get big and heavy, they fall as rain. Number 8. The water vapor cools and space back into droplets turns. Tom has got a valuable space of stamps, a valuable collection, like this picture. Number 10. Mr. Dom is a very clever man. He never buys anything before giving it a quick inspection to make sure that thing is helpful or good. Number 11. We looked carefully on our map to find the nearest underground station. I will send my friend An or A for my birthday party. I will send him an invitation. Good job. When the water gets space, it becomes water vapor. What is the meaning of this process? Warm. It becomes water vapor. The gas form of water is water vapor. The weather is going to be fine. The clouds are wispy. While the water space back to the sea, more clouds are forming. While the water flows back. Move. Flows mean move. The pool is nice today. The water is I think which one will be the right answer? Cool. Good job. Space, the hot gas that's produced when water boils, it called steam. They couldn't go out because of the storm. The sunflower moves to the space of the sun, direction of the sun. Thank you for your time.